Good morning. My name is Chaitanya Sharma and our topic is nature. I am starting with my introduction. Since ancient time, nature has served man beings, the source of his life. For thousands of years, people lived in harmony with environment and it seemed to them that nature riches were unlimited, but people always pollute our nature.
Human being take steps about nature. First, a green and clean atmosphere is important to live a peaceful and healthy life. Second, we must stop and avoid using polythenes and plastic bags and prefer eco-friendly items to save the atmosphere. Third, we can easily save our environment for the next generation in several days by accepting and adopting the simple lifestyle. Fourth, promote digital technology will save more papers that are made from natural resources like wood. Fifth, once you are not able to think beyond your biological identity, the very nature of human beings, the immunities of human beings is concentrated and concentrated into very small process.
Steps we can take towards nature. First, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Second, volunteer. Third, educate. Fourth, conserve water. Fifth, shop wisely. Sixth, use long lasting light bulbs. Seventh, plant a tree. Eighth, don't send chemicals into out waterways. First, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the three resources to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Second, volunteer. Volunteer for cleanups in your community. You can get involved in protecting your watershed too. Third, educate. When you further your own education, you can help others understand the importance and the value of our natural resources. Fourth, conserve water. The less water you use, the less runoff and wastewater that eventually end up in the ocean. Fifth, shop wisely. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Sixth, use long lasting light bulbs. Energy efficient light bulbs reduce greenhouse and emission. Also, flip the light switch off when you leave the room. Seventh, plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Eighth, don't send chemicals into our waterways. Choose non toxic chemicals in the home and office. Thank you.
My topic is conclusion. The importance of nature has always been proclaimed by many scientists. In spite of the technology advancement, none of the modern technologies can replace the curing effect of the nature on human beings. Thus, the most optimal and comfortable solution for city dwellers is to spend their free time in the nature.
Very good. Now I am ending this speech with few lines. Time spent in nature is time spent realizing that you don't know it all and that you never will.